Yo, 148, 3 to the 3 to the 6 to the 9, representing the ABQ. What up, biatch?
I'm living my life while you're living a dream. They squared my jeans, top supreme, but bury my scarf like what do you mean? Very expensive clothes, I put designer on all of my hoes. Tiffany wanted Tiffany and Cole, I looked at Tiffany and I was like no. You and your boys got matching tops, me and my boys got matching thoughts. Rick and Morty, I'm losing the plot. Gucci slides with the Gucci socks. Earned my stripes, just call me Adidas. So much drip, I'm feeling like Yeezus. Nike Tech Fleek with the matching sneakers. My niggas in the back, bound the head like Jesus. Open the box and I'm looking at Yeezys. I want a milli like my name was Wheezy. Pulling off the shit like no it's not easy. I told her she got drip and the dumb bitch believe me.
You ain't spent $13 million of your own money trying to empower yourself.
Yes, but I spent hundreds of thousands and putting out clothing lines at a smaller degree. All I'm asking you,
it ain't no Ralph though. It ain't no Ralph though. It ain't Ralph level.
I'm living my life while you're living a dream. They squared my jeans, top supreme, but bury my scarf like what do you mean? Chilling with my bae, just shout out Lucy. She wanted some Gucci, so I gave her Gucci. Then she gave me Gucci, yeah I'm feeling Lucy. Outfit fire, that's what I acquire. Drippy attire, that's what I desire. She tried to show me love, but I am the umpire. You ain't my bro, you're my bros, both sitting in a blacked out polo in a blacked out polo. Chilling in Soho, Supreme Box logo. Please no photos, keep it on the low. I whip up the cocoa as I do the yo-yo. Your hoe ain't a hoe, she's a ho-ho. Nigga, you ain't broke, you just broke. Feeling like photo, yes I'm in my dojo. Oh wait, oh, my drip, mojo. Your drip, no, whoa.
What's the name of your clothing line? We don't know.